Okay, I'm Bryce, and this is my bike check. Okay, so this is the Eastern Shovelhead BMX bike. So we got an Eastern frame, green, pretty thick. Eastern seat, not a pivotal, unfortunately. Eastern cranks, Eastern pedals, really good because they're like better than metal. So if it hits your shin, it doesn't hurt, but they're like really strong plastic. Eastern like tires, Eastern spokes, Eastern hubs, Eastern handlebars, Eastern grips, Eastern forks. So yeah, pretty much all Eastern, everything. And then got red bar ends. Don't know what they are though. Oh, and Eastern stem and Eastern BBs. Yeah, so that's my bike check.